Today, judgment was passed in the case of Mira Sahab Bepari. That was a case where there was a mob of about 30-40 people who had gone into the house of Beparis in Kamarkazan in Mapsa, alleging that there was something about beef. The complaint did not say anything that there was a sale or that there was slaughter of beef. And under the Animal Preservation Act, the Goa Animal Preservation Act, these are the two sections. Either sale, which is illegal without authorized license, or slaughter without license at a place not authorized. So there was no sale, there was no slaughter also. But these characters went inside the fridge of these people and took out some meat, which of course that meat was found to be buffalo at the end of the day. But question is, this invades privacy of an individual, and this is an abuse of the process of law. And the entire FIR was so malicious that other sections also were put, that the atmosphere had become obnoxious and all this nonsense. So we filed a petition in the High Court challenging the registration of the FIR, and the judgment was passed today by His Lordship Justice Chavan, quashing the FIR, saying that even in the complaint itself never disclosed any cause for registering an FIR, and therefore that FIR was quashed. I want to send this as a message not only to the police but also to the vigilantes, who have to be very careful. While there is a right in people to make sure that law is followed, there is also a duty for people to ensure that they don't take law in their hands and try to make things and blow it out of proportion, something which should not be there. So this act, I'd even said that this is an act of vigilantism, because these people in their complaint wrote that they are from the Bajrang Dal, and then they had gone over there, and the complainant himself was a punch witness. Also, I'd also argued that the person who can carry out such an inspection is an authorized officer who is only a veterinary doctor. And it could not have been the police who could have come and done this. Even that seizure could not have been done by the police. But the court did not go into that, because the court felt that even for registration of the FIR there was no case. But has recorded my submissions and finally quashed that FIR.